Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 5. Wants to presentation about implementation Git and GitHub in Shopet. Before that, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Sultan.
And my name is Indarti.
Okay, let's begin. Description of DevOps. A developer principle is to coordinate between teams, namely the development teams and the operation team effectively and efficiently. In this project, we use the DevOps tool is Git, GitHub, and Jenkins. Okay, what is Git? Git is a software based on version control system that is responsible for recording change to the entire file or repository of a project. Software developer use Git for distribute revision, which aim to store database not just to one place. However, everyone involved in the preparation of the code can store this database. Okay, next is GitHub. What is GitHub? GitHub is a useful cloud service for storing and managing a project called a repository. GitHub must be connected to the internet, so there is no need to install software into the hardware. Okay, next is Jenkins. Jenkins is one of the most commonly used CI or CD tools. Jenkins is open source and uses the Java programming language. This tool can also be used on various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Let's go to our project. Okay, this is the step 1. In here we have first commit. We add function git init to initiation the repo, and git add to add the file to staging before commit, and git commit we commit the file, and git remote to get permission to save file to GitHub, and git push to push the file to GitHub. Okay, this is the step 2. This is the second commit from collaborator. The first we must to clone the file on GitHub, and the first we must git clone, and then we git pull to get the file in GitHub. And then if you already have the clone of in GitHub, and you can change or update the file, and if already update this file, you can open the git dash, and you can just add the file or git add, and this is for the staging file. Okay, next is the git status. You can see this picture. The status of file is on staging but not commit yet. If you want to push the file, you must commit this file before push. Okay, this is the git commit. You can see in the picture the syntax git commit -m and write the commit. and then just enter, and the commit already done. Okay, here we will push the file. First we will remotely GitHub and then push the file. And here I have a problem because according to GitHub the file has not continuity, so we add the syntax git pull origin master space dash dash unrelated dash histories, and then we push again, and the file already in GitHub.
Okay, this is step 7 for third commit. In this commit, do by me or do by Indri laptop. Before that, I will write git status. In this git status, we have info to add Shopet logo.png. And after that, I will get git add all again. And after that, I write git status again. Okay, and next step. For the next step is step 8, is commit and git remote. For the first is git commits strip m, and the name commit is third commit. And then after that, git remote at origin. In this I write wrong code, and I will write again git remote at origin, and this is the repository name. Okay, next is step 9. For the step 9, this is git push. I will push this photo, and I write git push origin master, but in step 9 rejected file because there's data that is not appropriate, but don't worry, we will do pull branch first. After pull, in this step 10, we push again git push origin master, and it have done. After we have done everything about commit, this is the all commit in our GitHub. The first commit do by me, second commit do by Sultan, and fourth commit do by me again. After that, this is step 12, all commit history. I just tell you before, fourth commit, third commit do by me and Sultan. Okay.
Okay, this is the dashboard Jenkins in localhost x0x0. And this is the dashboard. In this dashboard, we see our project is project Shopet, and then we will see icon legend. This icon to the project has never built, and this icon, the last build was successful, and if failed, the icon is red wrong. Okay, after that, when I will create the new project, Jenkins is best created after the Git repository has been created, because Jenkins is continuous integration. Okay, I'll see this project Shopet. This is the description about Shopet, and this is the permalinks or build history. This is the build history too. This is the wrong build, and this is the success build. Okay, this is the status, and I will see configuration about this project. Okay, wait. Now, okay. In general, in description, we description about Shopet, and after that, GitHub project URL, in GitHub repository. After that is short code management. I'll choose Git and I copy repository URL. After that, I build triggers, pull SCM schedule. I write h/2 space star space star space star and space star for start. In this description, it will always be rebuilt every 2 minutes. Okay, every 2 minutes. After that, I apply it, save, and I will click button save. Okay. Okay, this is our Jenkins, and this is the history. For the first build, I failed build. For the 2 and 3, 2, and for the 4 build, I'll success. Okay, I'll see. This is the history about 4 build. Okay, the next build is 5. This the success 2 and change the second commit. Okay, after that, build 6 is success 2 and change is third commit, and the last is build 7, change fourth commit. Okay, and then
Okay, this is the conclusion about this project. DevOps is an enterprise's software development practice to mean a type of agile relationship between development and IT operation. With the DevOps tools like Git, Jenkins, GitHub, Puppet, Docker, and many more, developers can combine all tasks, get more done plain and simple. With a single team compressed across functional members all working in collaboration, DevOps organization can deliver with maximum speed, functionality, and innovation. After that, this is the suggestion. Developers must be aware of the development of this technology and be able to understand the features of the DevOps feature, which has many uses. So the project development will be easier, faster, and more efficient.
That's all from us. If us, please forgive us. That's all.
Wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you.